Hello and welcome to The Point from Navitend. In last week's issue of The Point, we looked at 3 tips for keeping third-party Windows software up to date. In this week's issue, we'll look at the FileHippo Update Checker, a program that automates this task for a large selection of common Windows applications. Let's get started. The first step is to install the application. Open your web browser and browse to filehippo.com/updatechecker. The link is on your screen. After the download has completed, browse to the place where the download was saved and run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions. I'm going to elect not to create I will create a desktop shortcut. And this checkbox will enable the program to check for updates to your computer software automatically when you start your computer. You can see that the setup has completed, so we close the dialog box, close this, and now let's move on to using the update check. And then if we click here, we see that we have 6 new updates available and 4 beta updates. If we click that, it brings us to the website which shows us which updates and which software on our computer needs to be updated. These beta updates, beta releases are kind of like bleeding edge releases with extra features and are not recommended for typical everyday business use, but these other main updates are suitable for my computer. So I'm going to choose to update FileZilla, which is an FTP program I use for development. And you can see that it's downloading the updater that will update that software. The same process applies to the rest of these software applications. On your machine you might see other softwares listed here, but just to update, click this button and then run the installer that downloads. With that, we reach the conclusion of the screencast. You can watch previous issues or subscribe to The Point via email on our website. The link is below. Have a great week.